So here's how to open long in Bitunix. If you haven't signed up for your account on Bitunix yet, you can click my link down in the description or use my referral code ZBQK for additional rewards. First of all, what you need to do is head over to Futures on the top right here. So after you're in the Futures tab, you need to select the crypto pair that you want to trade. So from here, you can use the search bar or scroll through and select your desired token. After that, head over to the right panel. From here, I will be choosing market and typing in the quantity. You can also use limit if you want. You can also move the slider to set the quantity of the percentage that you want. And once you're done setting all this up, all you need to do is click on Open Long right here. So now just click on Open Long. After that, you will get to see this pop-up where you will see all the information. Just click on Confirm and go over to the Positions tab on the bottom left. And as you can see, our long position has been opened. And this is where you will get to see all the information about your long position. And that is exactly how to open long in Bitunix. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.